day before yesterday, afternoon time, I went some meeting, real estate related. One person is telling very recently she visited US and she went, what is that place? Casino, na? What is that one? Gambling kind of thing. Casino. Okay, casino. Her daughter gave $400. Okay, please play casino like that. Then automatically she got money, and then she's going to get more money. She got coins. I don't know. I never played. More coins she is going to get, like all the $400 she used with the empty hands. She came out. Remember that. Most of the times in casinos, gambling, play cards, okay, with all these things, lucky goddess, Aster won't be there. Remember that. This is not the place where luck is there. So can you please tell at least one person name? Sir, just because of gambling only this person became richest person. Because of this casino only this person became richest person. Can you tell at least one person? Anyone there in our session?
No one. No, sir.
Even sometimes you are getting. Even sometimes you are getting. But one fine day, all the things whatever you got by default will be gone, including interest. So gambling, betting, okay, casinos, all these things are their lucky goddess won't be there. Next, if you want to if you want to become luckiest person, opportunities will come. Better to util without procrastination. If you are doing procrastination means, sorry, you're never going to succeed in your life. That is the discussion which was happened, okay, in that temple of learning.